first make a circle and then do this. Okay. Okay, you guys start with me. First make circle. Start with me. No, start this time. Hi, Tapan sir here.
Earlier did not join today's classes. Yeah.
Okay, what's the name here? Then I can. Okay, no problem. Okay, sure. So now the straight line. First, start line. Go. Make for see here. See here. See here. Make for circle. Make for circle. You also do for circle here. See what I do. What I did. See here now. Now after that, you can go into done better. Whose pencil? Your pencil not there. Okay, now draw this line. Draw this line. 1 and 2. Okay, now 1 and 2. Okay. Elena is there. Elena. Yeah. Done, beta. Okay. Do slowly, no problem. Yes. Now next steps we are making here. So see. Okay. See beta. See what I do. I do here. Like this. Okay. Aram se make like this. Okay, the mouth. आराम से करो. Up and down. Yeah. Yes. This is the animal. Okay, now done better. So, but it will go to the frequency and make it sound over here. So, yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay, aram se. If you done that much, then you can go ahead to the next steps. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Nice. Okay. Fine. Now next step you make here. See. Now show. See next steps. Do over here. See over here. Your name. Your name. Siddhant. Aditi Siddhant Shri over here also. Make it the two. See, make here, see, make not here. This is some animals, like a squirrel kind of animals. Squirrel, you know, this kind of animals. The not job, the animation movie name, the not job. Yeah, looks like a squirrel. Here I can make 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here. Now make here. Like this. Okay. And the body of this character is like this. Okay, this is the body of character. Like this. Yes. Yes. This is some one cartoon character. Yes. Now, make it here. Body like this. आराम से करो, okay? All of you understood now? If anyone not understand, tell me, okay? So now, no, good. Now take color. We are making one more thing. See here, make it. I show you. Make it over here and over here. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, beta. No. Just only for here, beta. No, beta. No take home. Here, beta. Now, just start the color. Take the violet color. Okay, after drawing, finish the drawing, beta. Start the drawing color, beta. Take the violet color. Leave it now. To color now, okay? No, beta. No, after the drawing. Okay. Make it first color. Yeah. No. Take color from here. Take color. Yes. Yeah. Make it color. See the color. It's a violet. Beta. It's a violet. You can take outline with the black color.
Which color is that, sir?
Violet, that come here. Go your sit your place. Go to the violet color. And take violet color like this. Two color.
Sir, how's the light color?
Come on, beta. Start drawing. Okay, आराम से do color like this. This side. Okay. And top of this. Okay, beta. Yes, beta. Inside the mouth, you are putting the brown color, deep brown. This is brown. Inside also puts very light brown.
Sir, what about the hands? Sir, hands.
Hands no need. Beta, make it like this. Okay, not coming here. brown now. Mouth is deep brown. Let's take brown from here. Take your own color next to one pin. No, don't touch. Just take color. Now, better take color. Go sit down your face on the floor and toes. आराम से करो कि बेटा डन. Color it, color it. Yeah, I make the color this part. Okay. This part only. In this part of the body, put color. Okay. No, my video is on, not off. You leave and again join. No, not eyes. This side. Yes. Yeah. That's brown color, good brown color. What? Was okay, fine. You can just sitting down. I just make a border with yes. Yeah, you can help your sister. Help your sister. Go. They are not coming here. This camera is here. Go, not come here. Okay, बेटा आराम से. Yes, done. All of you. Okay, I take that. I say that you go, not come here. Go here. Yeah, outline. Not pen is here. No need to outline. Sit down. No need to outline. Okay. So first step 1. I tell you once again. Step 1 like this. Step 2, I do like this. And yeah. No need to this. No need to do this. It is no. No need to this drawing. I tell you.
I'll wait for the other drawing.
Yes, you wait for it.
And if there's toys and them. Can I take this toys and be made?
No, but this is not great, and that is a drawing pen sitting down properly and see. Okay, now so step by steps I can show you. Keep silence. Fine. Look here also. This will come too. Done, all of you? Can I go ahead to the next part? Yes? Okay. Yeah, sure. Yes. Yeah, fine. Okay. Show beta. Show me. Hello. Come in. Come in. Come. Not on this one. Come here. Sitting down your seat. Not pay it out. Okay. Yes, beta, please show. Okay, nice.